Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch.
Hey my beauty bosses, it's your girl Tatiana Raylin back with another video, and today I'm showing you guys how I edit my pictures for my social media and my website. I only use 2 apps. I do it straight from my phone. It's super simple and easy. Right now I am showing you guys my website so you guys can get an idea of the work that I have done. I take my own pictures, I edit my own pictures. Like I said, it's super easy. And if you guys are liking what you see, continue watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. So the first thing you want to do is crop your picture, like the background, out. I had screenshotted this because I already had it on my phone. So just crop the background out. I take my pictures in a product box that I got from Amazon. So you can just kind of Google product boxes, can't talk, on Amazon, and this product boxes will pop up. So yeah, that's how the background is white, but it's still not like crisp white. So I use 2 apps. Right now I am using PicMonkey so that I can brighten up the background. So once you go on there, you put your picture, and you have to do it to your liking. Of course, I'm just playing around with it right now, but I'm turning my brightness up so that I can make the background super white. And you don't want to really make it too bright so you won't change the color of your product. So you want to add a contrast on there so you can bring out obviously your product. And now you can already see a huge difference of the background being super white rather than before it was white, but it wasn't like crisp white, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna finish doing that, and then I'll show you guys the other app that I use. Now it's getting to a point where I like it. I'm going to go and click the check mark that was in the top corner, hit save. So that picture should be saved to your camera roll. You want to go into PicArts and or PixArt, and you want to, if you want to add any little sparkles or any cute like little signature things, there's so many things like sticker wise, or if you want to blur out certain backgrounds, this is what you use that app for. Right now this is just a white background, so I don't have to do any blurring. If you guys want to see me blur out a background, I will show you guys how to do that as well on here. But right now I'm just adding some little accessories. These are all the little things that they have left. And one thing I want to let you guys know, I also use this app to make like my flyers. If I want to do like a little sale or anything, I come and use these little sparkly little backgrounds, and it looks so cute, it looks so dope, it looks super professional. I was having trouble kind of like blowing the sparkles up, but anyways, I just added some little jewel sparkle things to the bottle, and it was super pretty. I don't think I end up using these ones, but I used a different one. But yeah, just go to the ones that you like the most and just kind of play around with it. Just make it cute and girly, and it'll work out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Bye.